Autonomous vessels, are they the future of the seven seas? Autonomous cargo ships, also known as autonomous container ships or maritime autonomous surface ships (MASS), are sea-borne vessels that transport either container or bulk cargo over navigable waters with a little or no human interaction. Different methods and levels of autonomy can be achieved through monitoring and remote control from a nearby managed ship, an onshore control center, or through artificial intelligence and machine learning, letting the vessel itself decide the course of action. In 2019, several autonomous cargo ships projects were in development, with the most prominent one being the construction of the MV Yara Berkelium. The Yara Berkelium is scheduled to enter trials in 2019 and operation in 2020. Autonomous cargo ships are by some in the shipping industry viewed as the next logical step within maritime shipping, noting the general trends of the automating tasks and reducing crew on ships. In 2016, Oscar Levander, Rolls-Royce VP of Marine Innovative State, said that this is happening. It's not if, it is when. The technological need to make remote and autonomous ships a reality exists. We will see a remote controlled ship in commercial use by the end of the decade. Autonomous ships achieve autonomy by the use of technology similarly found in autonomous cars and autopilots. Sensors provide data with the help of infrared and visual spectrum cameras, supplemented by radar, sonar, LiDAR, GPS, and AIS, which will be able to supply data for navigational use. Other data, such as the meteorological data and the deep-sea navigation and traffic system from the onshore location, will help the vessel plot and save course. The data will then be processed by artificial intelligence system either on the board the vessel itself or an onshore location, proposing an optimal route and decision patterns. Cars may dominate today's discussion about the future of autonomous transportation, but some of the world's largest maritime companies are betting big on autonomous shipping. Within the next decade, driverless could be hauling cargo around the world. Over the past few years, companies like Rolls-Royce Marine and Japanese shipping giant Nippon Yusen have shared plans to send remote and autonomous ships to sea. These ships will remain crewed to begin with, but as the technological advance, some of the ships may be crewless by as early as 2020. Economic benefits are among the most compelling reasons for companies to shift toward autonomy. Although research and development costs will prove considerable, operational costs are projected to shrink for autonomous ships operators who won't have to pay people to be on board. Free from crew members, ships will be redesigned to be more efficient. Since ship builders can eliminate accommodation structures such as the deck house and living quarters, as well as energy expensive functions like heating and cooking facilities. Cruise ships will undergo a radical redesign to eliminate excess features and increase efficiency and carrying capacity. There are some potential benefits of using autonomous vessels, such as the operational safety. that says, according to a study conducted by the Alliance in 2018, it is estimated that between the 75% and 96% of maritime-related accidents are caused by human error, such as employee fatigue and personal judgment error, negligence, and inadequate training. Human errors caused are reported by 2007 and 12 casualties in 2018, costing 1.6 billion in losses from 2011 to 2016, with cargo ships accounting for the 66% of all vessel loss. Working on deck, for example, during mooring operation, is estimated to be 5 to 16 times more dangerous than just on shore. Several argue that by introducing fuel autonomous and semi-autonomous ships, it will reduce the amount and severity of these accidents due to the both and lack of crew on board and the better performance that autonomous system delivers. Reduction cost is one of the benefits of using the autonomous vessels. According to a study carried out by the Technical University of Denmark, it is estimated that an onboard crew member costs in the form of salaries, insurance, and onboard provision around 1 million, with crew costs typically accounting for around 20 to 30% of total costs for cargo ships journey. Semi-autonomous or fully autonomous ships can potentially reduce and eliminate these costs, creating an incentive for shipping companies who strive for cost reduction in an increasingly competitive market. Autonomous ships may, however, increase onshore costs in the form of large upfront investment and upkeep of control operation centers, sensors, data service, and on communication assets such as high bandwidth satellites. The energy efficient and environmental impact is another benefit of using autonomous vessels. The removal of human crews will allow the construction of ships without ship facilities needed for human operation, such as the bridge for human inability, such as sleeping quarters, plumbing, mess hall, and electrical wiring, reducing weight and increase reliability. This will allow autonomous ships to be built lighter and use less of its size for the crew, reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact. Also, we can tell you that uh, another potential benefit that will help of using autonomous vessels is the piracy. Rolls-Royce have argued that low-tech piracy activities aimed towards ships and their crews will reduce as a result of ships becoming autonomous. Ships can be constructed so that it will be difficult to board them, with cargo access and manual control being made invaluable. In this case of piracy, even control centers can immobilize the ships or having it sail a specific course until naval authorities can reach it, without presence of crew to hold hostage and ransom. The cargo ships are argued to be less valuable targets for pirates.